Okay, so this Tamboko Charity Academy, this is the KG1 and KG2 class put together in the same room. The same problem we have here, that is unavailability of classrooms. We have only 3 classrooms here, but we have 5 classes, KG1 up to primary 3. So some of them are put in the same class, and this is a similar instance where we have KG1 and KG2 in the same class. This will affect teaching because we cannot do effective teaching per the KG1 curriculum and the KG2 curriculum. So we are looking at getting partners to support us so that we can have a big deal for this quiz. And I know you come on board to support us. Thank you.